max water level can be either the deck or a pipe system that prevents the water from exceeding a certain level. In the case of the deck acting as the max water level, the deck serves as the physical barrier that limits the water level. When the water reaches the deck, it cannot rise any higher. This is a simple and reliable method, but it does not allow for any adjustment of the water level. A pipe system can be used to control the water level more precisely. The pipe system typically consists of a float valve and a pump. The float valve opens and closes to allow water into the pool or spa, depending on the water level. The pump circulates the water and helps to keep it clean. A failsafe is a backup system that prevents the water level from rising too high in case the primary system fails. The failsafe typically consists of a T-fitting and a drain. When the water level rises too high, the water flows out of the T-fitting and into the drain. This prevents the water from overflowing and causing damage. The best max water level system depends on specific needs and preferences. If a simple and reliable system is desired, then the deck may be the best option. If a system that allows for more precise control of the water level is needed, then a pipe system may be a better choice. Firstly, let's discuss the benefits of a pipe system. It allows for precise control of the water level. Secondly, it can be used to automate the filling and draining of the pool or spa. Thirdly, it can be equipped with a failsafe to prevent overflows. However, there are some drawbacks of a pipe system. Firstly, it's more complex and expensive than a deck system. Secondly, it requires regular maintenance to ensure proper operation. When deciding between a deck and a pipe system for controlling the maximum water level, several factors should be considered. These include the desired level of control, budget, maintenance requirements, and the specific application, whether it is a pool, spa, or another water containment system. A deck has a maximum water level solution offers simplicity and reliability. In this configuration, the deck of the pool or spa acts as the physical boundary, preventing the water from exceeding a certain height. This is a straightforward approach that requires no additional equipment or moving parts. The primary advantage of using the deck as the maximum water level is its inherent simplicity. It is easy to understand and implement, requiring no specialized knowledge or skills. It is also a relatively inexpensive solution, as it does not involve the purchase or installation of any additional components. Furthermore, it is a reliable method, as there are no mechanical or electrical parts that can fail. However, using the deck as the maximum water level also has some limitations. One of the main drawbacks is that it does not allow for any adjustment of the water level. The water level is fixed at the height of the deck, which may not be ideal for all situations. For example, it may be desirable to lower the water level for maintenance purposes or to prevent splashing during periods of heavy use. Another limitation is that the deck can become slippery when wet, posing a safety hazard. It is important to ensure that the deck surface has adequate traction to prevent slips and falls. In contrast, a pipe system offers a more sophisticated and controllable approach to managing the maximum water level. A typical pipe system consists of several key components, including a float valve, a pump, and a network of pipes. The float valve is responsible for regulating the inflow of water into the pool or spa. It operates based on the water level, opening to allow water in when the level is low and closing to stop the flow when the level reaches the desired maximum. The pump is used to circulate the water, ensuring that it is evenly distributed and properly filtered. A network of pipes connects the various components of the system, allowing water to flow freely between them. One of the main advantages of using a pipe system is that it allows for precise control of the water level. The float valve can be adjusted to maintain the water level at a specific height, ensuring that it does not exceed the desired maximum. This can be particularly useful in situations where the water level needs to be adjusted frequently, such as for maintenance or to accommodate different usage patterns. Another advantage of a pipe system is that it can be automated. The float valve can be connected to a control system that automatically fills and drains the pool or spa as needed. This can save time and effort, as it eliminates the need for manual intervention. Furthermore, a pipe system can be equipped with a failsafe mechanism to prevent overflows. This typically consists of a T-fitting and a drain. When the water level rises too high, the excess water flows out of the T-fitting and into the drain, preventing it from overflowing and causing damage. While a pipe system offers several advantages, it is also more complex and expensive than using the deck as the maximum water level. The initial cost of purchasing and installing a pipe system can be significantly higher than simply relying on the deck. Additionally, a pipe system requires regular maintenance to ensure that all of its components are functioning properly. This may include cleaning the float valve, inspecting the pump, and checking the pipes for leaks. In addition to the deck and pipe systems, there are other methods that can be used to control the maximum water level. One such method is the use of electronic water level sensors. These sensors can be installed in the pool or spa to monitor the water level and automatically activate a pump or valve to maintain a desired level. Electronic water level sensors offer a high degree of accuracy and control, but they can also be more expensive and complex to install than other methods. Another alternative is the use of a simple overflow drain. This consists of a pipe that is installed at the desired maximum water level. When the water level rises above this point, excess water flows out of the pipe and into a drain. Overflow drains are a simple and inexpensive way to prevent overflows, but they do not provide any control over the water level. When choosing a maximum water level system, it is important to consider the specific requirements of the application. For example, a large public pool may require a more sophisticated system with automated controls and a failsafe mechanism, while a small private spa may be adequately served by a simple deck or overflow drain. It is also important to consider the budget and maintenance requirements of the system. A more complex system may offer greater control and convenience, but it will also be more expensive to install and maintain. Ultimately, the best maximum water level system is the one that best meets the specific needs and preferences of the user. Consider the advantages and disadvantages of each option, and choose the system that provides the optimal balance of control, cost, and maintenance. Understanding the principles and components involved in each system will help to make an informed decision and ensure the safe and efficient operation of the pool or spa. The choice between a deck and a pipe system depends on your priorities. The deck is simple and cheap. The pipe system offers control and automation but requires a larger investment and ongoing maintenance. Consider how much control you need and how much you are willing to spend, and consider the ongoing maintenance involved.